We're back. PS 2026. We are day 3. We have the extreme pleasure and honor having Dr. Lily Liu in the studio today. Good morning, Lily. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Good, doing very well. I see you're with your babies need science pin. I like
Babies
that.
absolutely need
Yeah,
science.
I love that. But that's not what you're here to talk about today. You wanted to tell us a little bit about the Silverman Lecture. For people who don't know, what is the history of the Silverman Lecture?
So, William Silverman was one of the really important anchors to our field of neonatology. And he was the person who really made us look at how we studied what we do.
Mm,
You know, we used to feed babies plain cow's milk,
mm,
and we've learned. And so, as people have done research and we've increased our knowledge base, we do medicine differently. We take care of babies in a different way. And some of his really important work was looking at oxygen
mhm,
and how um, we gave everybody 100% oxygen. And then we realized that that caused blindness.
mhm,
And so then we stopped using oxygen and babies started dying again.
mhm,
So eventually the curve is really interesting because you see the incidence of eye disease go way up and then go way down, and then you see mortality gradually increase as we figured out how to use it judiciously. So, Dr. Silverman taught us about randomized clinical trials and the way that we should study. And the AAP section on neonatal perinatal medicine has an honorary lecture at PAS every year. It's the main thing that we do at this conference. And this year, the speaker was John Zapanzik
mhm,
from right here in Boston.
mhm,
And he gave a phenomenal talk about how we do research. And he did research on research.
mm,
So he talked about um, how much new studies add. So he did meta-analyses of meta-analyses, and he gave us 10 provocations. Like, are we studying the right people? Are
mm,
we publishing too much or too little?
mm,
What should the standards be? Are we asking about race and ethnicity
mm.
and all of those kinds of things? So it was a very thoughtful reflection on what this whole conference is about, which is how we do research.
What were some of your take home points?
Well, one of he's John is just a pleasure to
Yeah,
listen to. He's so wise and
for sure.
philosophical, and to hear him reflect on the activity that everybody came here to talk about is just a joy,
Mm,
just in itself.
mhm,
But one of the things is that this is an overwhelming meeting.
mm,
There's so many sessions that you wanna go to that are all scheduled in the same hour.
mhm,
And I noticed that there are lots of activities for trainees. There's information on how you build your executive presence and your academic brand. There are sessions on how to get published, and so uh, there are lots of things to go to for people on their trajectory of having really important scientific careers. But I wish that people who are in that phase, who are trainees, would come to the Silverman Lecture. And I wish that at NCE they would come to the award presentations and hear about the truly inspiring neonatologists that have anchored our field and that have inspired us to do what we do.
really the history of neonatology.
Mhm. Right, and just the people who do it the way it should be done,
Mm,
and even though we're all as trainees struggling to try to figure out how to design an experiment, get it published, get promoted and all that, but I think one of the most moving parts of all of our conferences is to hear about the great accomplishments
mm.
of some of the really outstanding peers that we have.
I agree with
And
you.
that's
Yeah,
very
and I was
important,
gonna
isn't
say
it?
you're doing a lot of work with trainees. Your
Yes.
take.
I definitely think that that's so valuable. I really thank you for bringing that up because I remember as a trainee, I wanted to go to every lecture
Mm,
possible, but I couldn't pick and choose what would be
mhm,
applicable to my life. So that's so valuable that you're bringing up this amazing lecture that I think fellows should and trainees of any kind should be learning. This is a very It's an early career focus, trainee focus. It's like every focus possible. So we got to pick and choose what applies to our lives. And it's so valuable that, they could listen to this amazing lecture. That's great.
And we have a constant discussion about, can we get the PAS planning group to not schedule everything at the same time?
Mhm.
But there's just so much to see and so much to
Two
learn
weeks
here.
long.
Yes.
Well,
Absolutely.
Dr. Lou, we love having you on. You always are key in highlighting some of the important things that we need to be paying attention to. Thank you for everything you do for the community.
Thanks for the time.
My
And thanks
pleasure.
for everything that you do.
Oh, thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.